Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 17th, our word of the day is exonerate. E-X-O-N-E-R-A-T-E. Exonerate. Exonerate is a 9-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Exonerate means to show or state that someone or something is not guilty of something. In other words, to exonerate someone is to declare him not guilty of criminal charges. This word is pretty much only used in reference to proceedings in a court of law. Similar words include acquit, exculpate, discharge, absolve, clear, vindicate. Examples of sentences using exonerate are: after the long trial, the suspect was exonerated of the murder charges, much to his relief. The report exonerated the crew from all responsibility for the collision. He is particularly pleased the findings exonerated his men of blame. Investigators relied on the recording in exonerating the soldiers who fired on the speeding vehicle. Lyndon was exonerated from the accusation of cheating. He is demanding that he be fully exonerated by the Air Force of any blame for the fatal crashes. Make sure to save this new word, exonerate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.